Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can code on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on one of my empty pages. This is the contact page, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can code in a couple of different ways on your site. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the editor, and I'm going to go ahead and add a few blocks. I'm going to open up the embed block, and I'm going to open up the code block. Now, as you can see, these are completely different. The code block is used for different things. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. And the embed block is used for embedding your items on your site. Now, if I go into embed block, I can click here. You can embed either links to certain things you want to embed, or you can embed code snippets. Click on embed data, and here is where your HTML code for embedding is going to go. More than likely, you're going to have to copy the embed code from somewhere else. You can't really code it manually. I mean, you technically could, but you do need access to the embed code of the certain functionality that you're using. It's used for most widgets. You can add pretty much anything you want with embedding. It really doesn't matter. You can even just copy the HTML code of the page and embed it here through that functionality. It's going to look a bit bad, but it is what it is. Now on the code block, you can click edit here, and you can go and switch the mode. You can choose between HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Markdown, and plain text. I'm just going to use HTML. Now, of course, here you can code anything you want in HTML, and if I switch modes, it's going to change the entire look of this. It's going to display the source code. However, if you're on HTML, you can display the source code, or you can deactivate it to actually just show the text and the contents, which is pretty much what you would like to do. I don't have any HTML code that I would like to add, so I'm just going to leave it like that, and that's pretty much how you can code on your site. There are two different things you can code as well. If we go into pages and into website tools, you can add custom CSS to change the appearance of certain things on your site. However, you do need to have the block IDs so that you can change specific things on your page. And you can also go ahead and click on code injection, and you can inject things into the header and footer. This is usually used to connect different things from different sites to work together, such as ads and things like that. You can also set up the log page and the order confirmation page and the status page if you would like, but I'm not that well versed in code, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.